Welcome back once again to our graphic design journey. So today we are going to be talking about effect tools. So I'm talking about tools that you can use to add effects. So for example, if you check on the screen, like you can see three graphics here that I just want to use for an illustration. So the time might not permit me to design this theory. But if you talk about effect tools, like if you talk about effects from Coreldraw, what do we mean? Effect simply means like they are tools that enable you to add effects. Maybe for example, if you want to create a logo, or you want to create like a background, like all those album of a thing, and you want to be creating some little effects, you understand? So you are going to make use of these effect tools from Coreldraw. Now if you check from our toolbar, now if assuming that you have been following this class from onset, there was one class that I introduced all the tool one after the other. So from this toolbar, we have one tool that comprise all the effect tools. Now let's check. We have the drop shadow, we have the drop shadow tool, we have the contour tool, we have the blend tool, we have the distort tool, we have the envelope tool, then we have the extrude tool. All these tools that I just mentioned, they are all effect tool. They are used to add effect. You understand? Okay, I'm going to start from one of these effect tool today. I'm going to pick blend tool. Let me pick blend tool because all these three graphics that you see here, they are all made from blend tool. So I'm going to use the blend tool to create an effect. So just follow. Now the first thing that I'm going to let me just practicalize this one is just very straightforward. Now if you have been following the class, you know that the class will be very simple for you to create this effect that you are seeing here. So the first thing is that we have to create, I'm going to draw a straight line, right? I'm going to draw a straight line. So this one is my straight line. Now the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to add a color effect to this straight line. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click here. So this one is where I'm going to add a color, right? You know, from our last class I talked about color. So this is the place where I'm going to add a color to this line. So okay, now I've successfully added a color to this line. So the next thing I'm going to do is just for me to like, duplicate this line, right? I will duplicate this line. So I have this line. So let me change the color to another one. So let's say blue. So I have this color here, right? Now the next thing I'm going to do is for me to what, align these two line on a straight center. So I will align it. Now I've already aligned this thing. Now the next thing is for me to add blend tool. What is the meaning of blend tool? The blend tool is the one that enable you to add some, when you have a two object together, so you can blend it. The blend can come in form of blending the shape or blending the color. Hope you understand what I'm saying now. So when you are blending, you are actually blending in category of shape, or you are blending in category of color. Now I want to blend in category of color and shape at the same time. So I have these two color here. If you check from previous, I have these two color here. Now I'm going to blend it. Now I'll first apply the number of blend. From the number of blend, we can blend from 2 to 999. So let me say that I'm just blending for 200. So I'm blending for 200. So now I will apply it. Now I've already applied the number of blend from this my property bar here. So the next thing I'm going to do is for me to apply the degree, the rotation, right, that I want this blend to rotate. So I will choose 180, right? So let me apply. Can you see? Now we have this. Very easy. It's not more than that. So that is how you go about, creating effects. So I don't want this class to be very long. In our next class, maybe if you want to really know about how you can make use of blend tools to create different effect or different logo, right, or different background, so you can just join my YouTube class. So you will see how you can make use of blend tool to create different form of logo. So thank you. The YouTube channel or the YouTube link is going to be posted along with this video.